How is dynamic spectrum access protocol advantageous for cooperative spectrum sharing? A central entity is used to lease the spectrum. B. Sophisticated spectrum sharing algorithms are used to allocate the spectrum. C. Distributed communication. D. Reduced communication overhead. The correct answer is central entity is used to lease the spectrum. Which among the following methods is associated with dynamic open spectrum channel protocol? A. Centralized inter-network spectrum sharing. B. Distributed inter-network spectrum sharing. C. Cooperative intra-network spectrum sharing. D. Non-cooperative intra-network spectrum sharing. The correct answer is cooperative intra-network spectrum sharing. Which among the following is not a function of the dynamic spectrum access protocol? A. Collision avoidance. B. Resolve spectrum access contention. C. Transparency for primary user. D. Efficient dynamic spectrum allocation. The correct answer is resolve spectrum access contention. What is the full form of DESDR? A. Dynamic Quality of Service Distributed Reservation Scheme. B. Distributed Quality of Service Dynamic Reservation Scheme. C. Dynamic Quality of Service Distributed Resource Scheme. D. Distributed Quality of Service Dynamic Resource Scheme. The correct answer is Distributed Quality of Service Dynamic Reservation Scheme. What is the basic unit of channel allocation? A. P frame. B. Q frame. C. R frame. D. S frame. The correct answer is Q frame. Which among the following is a common control channel used by a radio to gain access to a system? A. Paging channel. B. Random access channel. C. Access grant control channel. D. Cell broadcast channel. The correct answer is random access channel. Which among the following is applied to resolve contention between users in non-cooperative intra-network spectrum sharing? A. Random access techniques. B. Multiple access techniques. C. Spread spectrum techniques. D. Multiplexing techniques. The correct answer is random access techniques. Which among the following may be employed to select a common control channel in cooperative intra-network spectrum sharing? A. Regression. B. Munging. C. K. Nearest neighbor. D. Clustering. The correct answer is clustering. What type of scheme is non-cooperative intra-network spectrum sharing? A. Spectrum-centric. B. Application-centric. C. Device-centric. D. Access-centric. The correct answer is device-centric. What is the use of a common control channel? A. Transmission coordination. B. Spectrum allocation. C. Spectrum analysis. D. Time of arrival synchronization. The correct answer is transmission coordination. The selection of a common control channel is difficult in centralized networks. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.